Oh yeah. Listen to that thing chop.
I can spin the tire.
Are you chopping?
What?
You chopping?
No, I can spin the tire.
You know, you got to find cool, creative ways to make it special. And you know, I had it before, but I put a bigger Bluetooth speaker in there, and you just play exhaust compilation noises, and it just makes their day, dude. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brailsford's Rides. We're here again at the house. Finally, a nice day here in February. We got the boys' cars out, and Maddox is finally getting to test his Christmas present. So he actually got a car cleaning kit, which Layton's using right now. Came with all sorts of things, a bunch of microfiber scrub brush. Really cool little present for any car kid. And they're out here detailing their cars. I don't know what Maddox is doing. He's scratching his up with plastic.
Subscribe to Brailsford Rides, please.
Subscribe to Brailsford Rides. Alright. But yeah, Layton's getting his wheels all clean. You going to Ponies and Smokies?
Yep.
You are? I don't know if we're bringing your car though. We're probably bringing Maddox's. We'll see. But yeah, we're getting ready for Ponies and Smokies, guys. Still got our build series going on the Boss. We got the Roush exhaust on. Time to put the GT500 spoiler on. That's coming soon. We keep getting the Boss ready. Got to do some exhaust adjusting to make it. Got to do some exhaust adjusting to make it fit right. And yeah, we'll get the car there though. You gonna use that?
I need some soap.
You know how to use it?
Yeah.
You don't need soap. Just use water. That's all you need.
I need some soap.
You don't have any way to rinse it off, so just use that. And all you're doing is wiping dirt off. Yeah. So we got a whole bunch of new stickers and decals from other YouTube channels to put on these cars. As you can see at car shows, they like to pop their hood. And Layton's had been going with me for a while. He's got some good stuff in there. Yeah, we got to touch up the paint for his car. So, hey, Maddox, don't do that. He's over there using the squeegee on my paint. That's my daily driver, so it's okay. But I got to touch up one of the cars so it's ready to go for the show. And Hayden wants to be part of the show. He's over here chit-chatting. But we got some Determined Veteran decals. What else we got? Got some 615 Customs decals. LNR Rides.
Dad, can I show my new license plate?
And Wood and Metal Garage. So all you guys who sent us decals for the boys' cars, we really appreciate it. They're going to get on there soon, and they'll be there for Ponies and the Smokies for everyone to see.
Hey Dad, can I show my new license plate in the back?
Yeah, what's your license plate say?
It says too fast for you.
Too fast for you. Are you too fast for us? Oh man, you're getting all wet.
I do.
Maybe I should get a custom license plate. What do you think my license plate should say?
Too slow for me.
Too slow for you? Oh man, burn. He's burning me. Oh, you little stinker. So as you know, we're going to Ponies and Smokies, and we've been invited to be a part of the Boss display inside. I'm also trying to get one of the boys' cars there, but the problem I have is we're going to the mountains, and my basket likes to scrape even here in the lowlands. So in order to fix that, I've kind of jerry-rigged a setup, and let's go check it out. I'm not sure which car we're gonna bring. Ooh, listen to that thing. Listen to that thing. Oh man. Woo! She's mean. No, but so we went ahead and we got a riser, about 6-inch riser, and we've got the the extender to get it out from under there, under the diffuser. We're gonna put the basket on, and hopefully you can still see my tail lights. That's the big problem. If I can't see my tail lights, I can't do it like this. But I'm gonna have to put the other stabilizer on back there so I don't have any wiggle, because this is too much wiggle. All right, so here's the real test. Can I back out? Can I back out my driveway without scraping? That's a pretty substantial incline, so honestly I'm not surprised it would scrape there, but that's definitely better than what I would have had. I can easily make that trip safely, I think, and avoid spots like this. So I think this is our setup to get there. It should be fine, as you can still see the tail lights, no problem. You can still see the tail lights, no problem, so it shouldn't be an issue. Next, put that GT500 spoiler on. Ponies and Smokies, here we come. That was just a short one, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us along on our journey to Ponies and Smokies with the boys. We're gonna have a great time. The car's ready, or car's getting ready. It'll be ready by the time we get there. We still got a lot to do. Stay tuned for more. Let's go. This is pretty cool to see, because it's definitely the first time that Maddox has been more like a very aware driver. And he's following his brother very closely. Except for when he's focusing on me. Oh, he cut the corner. Woo! He's shouldering him off. Go, Maddox, go, go, go! That's awesome.